Tisk, tisk. Prostitution is illegal in Japan. Oh! Busy, busy. I'm very busy, very busy. Oh. So, Corran-san, how was your day today?
It sucked, Dad.
Well, holy cow! You go take it out on someone else!
Fine, I will.
Oh, son, Corran, how's your day?
It sucked, Mom.
What?
Someone stole my gym shorts from my gym locker.
Well, you don't take out on me.
Okay.
You go take out somebody else.
Who am I gonna take it out on? I know.
What's that for?
Because Mom and Dad told me to. Bloopers. Dang it! I spelled bloopers wrong.
That's a blue. Say action, honey.
Action.
Tisk, tisk.
Redo it, Mom.
Come on, Mom.
What?